नमस्ते, मेरा नाम साक्षी मिश्रा है और मेरे YouTube चैनल पर आपको बहुत बहुत स्वागत है। सबसे पहले तो आई होप कि आप और आपके आसपास के लोग हेल्दी होंगे, सेफ होंगे। आज हम इस वीडियो में बात करने जा रहे हैं मिस्टर विनय कपिल से, जो कि अपनी रेसिडेंशियल सोसाइटी में पहले कोविड-19 पॉजिटिव केस थे। उन्होंने और उनके परिवार ने इस बीमारी को फाइट किया और उनका क्या एक्सपीरियंस रहा, क्या कुछ उन्होंने फेस किया, ये हम जानने की कोशिश करेंगे उनसे बातचीत के दौरान, और जानने की कोशिश करेंगे कि हम क्या सीख ले सकते हैं, क्या कुछ फेस करने के लिए हमें तैयार रहना चाहिए और क्या प्रिकॉशन ले सकते हैं उनका उस दौरान का, और उसके बाद का नेगेटिव टेस्ट होने के बाद का क्या एक्सपीरियंस रहा, क्या कुछ उन्होंने करा अपने आप को हेल्दी करने के लिए और सेफ रखने के लिए, जानने की कोशिश करेंगे ताकि हमारी आपकी हम सबकी अवेयरनेस बढ़े और हम ज़्यादा तैयार हों इस बीमारी के खिलाफ। तो आइए उनसे बातचीत शुरू करते हैं।
थैंक यू सो मच पहले तो कि आप हमसे बात करने के लिए जुड़े। एंड ऐसे टाइम पे बहुत ज़रूरी है कि कोई एक्सपीरियंस्ड इंसान जो अनफॉर्चुनेटली पर्सनली इससे गुजरा हो वो लोगों को टिप्स दे, सजेशंस दे, क्योंकि प्रैक्टिकल एक्सपीरियंस बहुत हेल्प करता है ऑब्वियसली।
Yes.
तो सबसे पहले तो आई वांट टू आस्क कि अब आपके घर पे होपफुली सब हेल्दी हैं, फिट हैं?
Yes. Thank you, Sakshi. Uh, I am happy. I am happy to share my experience. Now, घर पे सभी लोग ठीक हैं.
आपके घर पे कितने लोग हैं एंड वाज एवरीबॉडी टेस्टेड पॉजिटिव या फिर you were the only one?
Actually, I was first. I was first who got tested myself, and so I was first tested positive. Then later on, 5 members were there. They were also got tested, and they were also found positive.
ओह, तो सब सिम्टोमेटिक थे या फिर कोई एसिम्टोमेटिक केसेस भी थे? एंड आपने अपना टेस्ट क्यों करवाया था? लाइक वाज इट बिकॉज आप सिम्टोमेटिक थे या फिर कोई कनेक्शन था जिसकी वजह से आपने करवाया?
Actually, I was exposed to hospital environment, and I was having certain symptoms, and with my old aged parents were staying with me, so I decided to get it tested immediately. Actually, my mother was hospitalized during those days, and I was staying with her.
ओह, तो किस टाइप के सिम्टम्स थे आपको एंड बाकी सबको आपके घर में?
Actually, I had throat infection and mild fever, but when I got hospitalized, at that point of time, the other family members were not having any symptoms at all.
तो बाद में डेवलप हुए थे उनको सिम्टम्स या
Actually, my mother was already having breathlessness issues, so I can't say she was showing any symptoms. But rest of my family members, like my father, he's 80 years old. My son, who is 15 years old, they were asymptomatic throughout. My wife has got developed few symptoms like body ache, etc. Otherwise, they were more or less asymptomatic. One caretaker was also there. She was also asymptomatic.
ओके, तो आपका मेडिकल ट्रीटमेंट और मेडिकल सपोर्ट सिस्टम और हॉस्पिटल वगैरह का क्या एक्सपीरियंस रहा? हाउ वाज इट? एंड आप दूसरों को क्या रिकमेंड करेंगे कि टेस्ट करवाना कितना जरूरी है, क्योंकि कई लोग टेस्ट करवाने से बहुत झिझकते हैं, डरते हैं अभी भी?
Yeah. Actually, at that point of time when I got tested positive, those were early days. So उस टाइम तो बहुत पैनिक सिचुएशन क्रिएट हो जाती थी. सो और उस टाइम देयर वर नो ऑप्शंस लाइक होम आइसोलेशन, होम क्वारंटाइन, देन private hospital, there were no choice. There was hardly any choice. When I got tested positive, I was immediately shifted to government hospital, and there was no choice like private hospital also. So I got shifted to government hospital by the UP medical team, or so. So that's all. So there was no choice, and later on, my whole family got quarantined. My wife and son was quarantined in a hotel, and my parents, because they couldn't shift to any other facility like at that point of time, there were two kind of quarantine facilities were there. One was institutional quarantine, and other was one more option was there, uh, you can get quarantined in a hotel also. So we preferred hotel quarantine at that point of time. So the our experience at that point of time in getting treatment in a government hospital was very good. They all the medical staff were very nice and caring. We got best of treatment both in terms of medical as well as in terms of hospitality. They were very caring. They were very caring. They were taking very good care of our food and all the other arrangements, all the facilities. So, and your other question was regarding whether one should get
importance of testing.
yeah.
Yes.
So उसमें मैं ये कहना चाहूँगा कि अगर किसी को सिम्टम्स लगते हैं और in case they are having any comorbidity, so we should not hesitate to go to the medical facilities, and we get ourselves tested, because in this by this we're not saving ourselves but all the others with whom we are staying, with whom we are getting contact on day-to-day basis.
My next question is कि नेगेटिव टेस्ट होने के कई लोगों को नेगेटिव होने के बाद भी थोड़ा ब्रेथलेसनेस का प्रॉब्लम या टेस्ट और स्मेल की डेफिशिएंसी रह रही है, तो ऐसा कुछ आप लोगों ने किसी ने भी एक्सपीरियंस किया या वर यू एब्सोल्युटली फिट?
Actually, एक मेरा ही केस था where I felt somewhat weakness. Then I had low grade fever for many days, more than like 10-15 days after getting negative consecutively twice. So I felt weakness. I had low grade fever. Then the issues were there. I was feeling dry mouth. That feeling sustained for a long time. And in case of my wife, she had certain anxiety issues. When we tested positive, there were a lot of inquiries were there. There were lot of contact tracings were there. Phone tappings were there. We were getting calls throughout the day. So that was too stressful, particularly for my wife.
आप लोगों ने मेंटली और इमोशनली कैसे इसको फेस किया? फिजिकली ऑब्वियसली इट वाज अ वेरी torturous, if I may say.
Those were the early days of current pandemic na. So but fortunately what happened, we all shifted to the same medical facilities, so we could support each other. Then we were following certain ritual. We were collectively doing meditation. We were doing group chanting, so that all helped us a lot. We were together at that point of time, so that helped us a lot. And more importantly, during that day, during those period, we had got very good support from my company, that is Dalmia's management, then our fellow residents of Ellicotopia. And all that made us to conclude that we were unfortunate to contract this coronavirus, but at the same time, we were fortunate or blessed to have such good well-wishers, which helped us a lot in our earliest recovery.
That's great. आई होप हर किसी को, आई होप पहले तो सबसे पहले तो किसी को हो ना, मतलब मिनिमम केसेस हो, बट अगर होता भी है तो ऐसे सबको अपना फैमिली और आसपास के लोगों का सपोर्ट मिले, एंड लोग सपोर्ट करें, बिकॉज ऑब्वियसली सबको अपनी हेल्थ का भी डर है, बट एक दूसरे को सपोर्ट करना ऐसे में भी बहुत इम्पोर्टेंट है. तो आप लोग पॉजिटिव टेस्ट होने से पहले क्या प्रिकॉशंस ले रहे थे, एंड उस पीरियड के दौरान और अब नेगेटिव टेस्ट होने के बाद क्या सेम प्रिकॉशंस हैं या कुछ डिफरेंट?
Things haven't changed too much. We were used to wear mask. We were using frequent continued. After getting consecutively negative, we isolated ourselves for a month time, even though we were asked to remain isolated for 14 days, but we still prefer to remain isolated for a month. So all the precautions, those are necessary.
आपने if I'm not wrong, आपने प्लाज्मा भी डोनेट किया था शायद. Could you tell us about that?
Plasma, it is generally being administered only when patient is critical, and doctors feel that it enhances survival chances on by receiving plasma from a recovered patient. So I felt that if I can be of use to save someone's life by simply fear, no hesitation, I went there for donating plasma. One to James, that is in Greater Noida. Then I went to one hospital in Delhi also. So this is a noble cause and should be done. When I got the message that both the recipients are doing well, it was just a humbling feeling, and I thank God that I have recovered and now I am in a condition to help someone else.
That's so nice कि आप दो लोगों को इतनी मदद कर पाए. Also मैं ज़्यादा टाइम आपको और नहीं लूँगी, बस कोई सजेशंस जो आप लोगों को देना चाहेंगे कि कैसे वो, मतलब जो लोग अभी कांटेक्ट में नहीं आए हैं लकीली, वो अपने आप को और ज़्यादा मतलब सोशल डिस्टेंसिंग और मास्क और ये सब जो ऑब्वियस चीजें हैं, उसके अलावा कोई अगर आप टिप्स देना चाहेंगे किसी को?
ग्रेजुअली तो देखेंगे हम लोग की अवेयरनेस तो काफी बढ़ गई है, बट स्टिल एंड we need not to fear or panic too much, but at the same time we should not take it lightly too, and one should strictly follow all the precautions of safety norms. Further, we should work on building one's immunity more, so by more by natural methods like healthy food habits. Some herbal drinks are being prescribed, so one should take those drinks. Then yoga, meditations, exercise, pranayams, all these things should, if somebody is not doing, one should start practicing those things, so that should help in long run.
Okay. Thank you so much sir, हमसे बात करने के लिए एंड हम लोगों को इतना गाइड करने के लिए. आई एम श्योर आपकी सारी बातें बहुत लोगों को बहुत हेल्प करेंगी, इंक्लूडिंग मी. सो थैंक यू, एंड आई होप आप लोग अब आगे हेल्दी रहें, सेफ रहें.
Thank you, Sakshi. It's my pleasure to share my experience. Thank you.
Thank you. It was a pleasure talking to you. Thank you.
Same here.